Good morning, all of you. I'm from Cyber Batch, and today I'm going to demonstrate task 2, which is software cracking. So, let me first introduce what is software cracking. Software cracking is nothing but the modification of a particular software, means to remove or modify certain things which make us unable to access that particular software. So, to do software cracking, first of all, we have created a file which is here .c in C program, C language, and then we will convert this .c file to .exe with the help of developer command prompt. That can be downloaded using VS, Visual Studio, or you can use any other extension such as code blocks, etc. And then we will use disassembler to modify our program and convert that exactly what we want as that. So here our program is hashtag include stdio.h. It is for input output processing. Then we have std library. Then we have introduced our main function, and inside that function we have initialized three variables and also assigned its values. After that we have given the conditions. That is the if b will equal to 1, then it will return back to us yes b is equal to 1. Otherwise it will simply print no b is not equal to 1. So firstly we will save it. We will save this file in all files, then save. Now you can check whether it is saved properly or not. Yes, we have got our file, and also you can verify it from here. This is our demo folder, and we have got our program1.c. So now what we will do, we will convert this .c extension to .exe, and for that we have used Visual Studio. Inside that we have developer command prompt. So first of all it is showing this path, and we have to change our path where we have saved our file. We will simply copy this path and change directory, paste the path here. Now we are inside our demo directory. Directory means folder. It is just another. So now what we have to do, we have to simply compile our program, and to execute in .exe we can search for that what command we have to use. This is for help. So here we got some of the commands. Look, here you can see that to convert an executable file, the keyword is /fe, assembly file fa, and object file fo, and similarly others are here. So what we will do, compile and link our program name, which is program1.c, then the command to convert it into executable file. So here we have got our exe file and object file. You can also see in this. So now we have completed our two steps. First was to create a program.c. We have created that and saved in our folder. The next step was to convert that program in .exe, means executable file. So here we have got our executable file as well. So now what we will do, we will open this file in our disassembler, which is Olly debugger here. So let's open our file. Demo program1.exe. So when we just open this program here, we have got this empty file, means for now it is nothing is displayed on the screen. So let me first of all tell you about this Olly debugger. It is a disassembler. This portion is processor. This is for registers, and this section is of RAM, and this is of addresses. So when we have to change for just once or twice, we can change in modify here in the RAM section. But if we want to modify it for every time, means whenever we open that file we need that modification, so we do changes in this processor file. So now what we will do, uh, if we will run this program, here you can see the output is no b is not equal to 1, which is appropriate according to this program because the condition is not valid here. So now we will modify this program to change the statement from no b is not equal to 1 to b is equal to 1. So we will search for text strings. Hold on. First of all, we have run this program. So what we will do, we will simply reload the program. Yes, now it is working. So we will search for text strings. Here we have our both the text strings. What we will do, we will simply put a toggle breakpoint here, because we can see that our output was no b is not equal to 1, means our program is able to run up till here. So we will simply put a breakpoint here using F2, or you can right click here and use this. So now what we will do, we will open this same statement in our program. To switch windows you can do that from here. Now we have got our code of that particular program here. So to know that how this program is executing or working step by step, we will start from here. We will apply a breakpoint here and we will run this program. And we can see that it got highlighted. So what we will do, we will just look after every instruction step by step. So the very first instruction is push EBP. Here EBP is base pointer. So we will switch to next. What is next statement? It is saying that move EBP.esp, means move stack pointer in base pointer. After that, the instruction is that subtract 0c from stack pointer. Similarly, we will just check out every next instruction. Here, if we see this instruction EBP minus 4, and this is 1, and it is related to RAM. So what we will do, we will simply go here, address relative to base pointer. So here we can see that EBP minus 8 is 1. Here EBP minus 8 is 1. EBP minus 4 is 2. Here it is correct that it is 2. But in this line it is EBP minus 4 is 1. So what we need to do, we just need to change this, modify this to get our appropriate answer. So we will just change this 1 to 2 and assemble this. It got matched, that's why it switched to next instruction. So similarly, we will proceed same. Then it got on push program, means it will simply push the program and then it will call the program. Now the all instruction has been visited and it simply got onto the after the program. So now if we run this program, what we will see, we have got our modified answer, which is yes, b is equal to 1. So here we have changed our statement from no b is not equal to 1 to our this statement. So this was basically all the steps included in software cracking. Initially we have created a program, we have then converted it into executable file, and then using Olly debugger we have modified that program in the column of processor.